Hi there, students. Bossy. So if you describe somebody as bossy, they're always telling people what to do. Yeah, they want to be in charge without necessarily being the person in charge. He bossily told me to wash the dishes. And then as a verb, well, I would use this as a phrasal verb, to boss around, or maybe to boss about as well. So he's always trying to boss everybody about. Yeah. So he bossily bosses everybody around because he's such a bossy person. Okay, so bossy, dictatorial, tyrannical, demanding, domineering, somebody who's always giving orders to everyone else. Yeah, I don't really like bossy people very much. Yeah, they're usually not very nice people. Okay, so bossy, giving orders, ordering everyone around, telling everyone what they're supposed to do, to be overly authoritative. Yeah, somebody who takes charge without being elected, without being chosen. They just decide they are the person. Yeah, so in a relationship where the wife wears the trousers, you could call the wife bossy. My older sister was certainly a very bossy young girl. I guess politicians are bossy as well. Yeah, generally politicians are bossier than other people. They're always trying to boss everyone around. Yeah, to tell people what to do. I wouldn't like to be his friend. He's always bossing his friends around as if they were his personal servants. Yeah, that doesn't sound like a friend. So somebody who's overly fond of giving people orders, of telling everyone what to do. So somebody who's imperious, it bosses everyone around. They're high-handed, they're high and mighty. Yeah, they're very imperious. They're controlling as well. This, I think, maybe rather an oppressive thing to do. Yeah, so yeah, he's always bossing me around, even though he's only supposed to be office boy. Yeah, so bossy, domineering, inclined to domineer, dictatorial. You do this. You know exactly what I mean by somebody who's bossy. Yeah, I think people who are bossy, they enjoy telling people what to do. Yeah, if you use bossy, you're being critical about somebody. You're saying you're saying that they shouldn't be like that. They're rather arrogant. Yeah, they lord it over everyone else. They're very bossy, domineering, overbearing people. Yeah. So also we have a phrase, a bossy boots. Don't be such a bossy boots. Let people decide what they want to do. Yeah. I like that phrase, a bossy boots. This is quite an informal phrase. You can also say bossy pants as well. Yes, bossy pants, but nobody's going to do exactly what you say. So let's see, formality. A bossy person, bossily, is an adjective. I think I'm going to give a 5 in formality. I think used just about anywhere. To boss around, to boss about. I think 4.5 in formality, used anywhere except in a very formal writing. So I think bossy is probably quite a good word to use. And then clearly all of these come from the word a boss, from the Dutch word baas, meaning the master of a house, from Old Dutch basso, uncle or kinsman. Maybe from Proto-Germanic ba or bo, a father or an older male relative. So enough If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Bossy, bossily, boss around, boss about.